Here we go, guys.
The following is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 254 pounds, Kerry Von Erich.
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who could blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
And here he comes.
And his opponent from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds,
Take a look at the talent in competition here. You can see exactly why the WWE Universe is so amped up for this one. A guy who treats every match as if it's the biggest one of his career. He definitely plans to steal the show tonight.
And there's only one rule in a no-holds-barred match. Pinfalls or submissions have to happen in the ring. Apart from that, this match is anything goes.
I have to admit, I'm a sucker for the traditional pinfall submission rules, but in a no-holds-barred match, tradition flies right out the window.
Fighting back with a counter.
And a stop to the gut, too.
Oh, right across the solar plexus.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Grabbing their opponent by the skull and slamming him down.
Nice running crossbody.
An uppercut. That'll cost some teeth. This match grinded him down a little.
Capped off with a big one. Every strike more devastating than the last.
Oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off. Stomping their opponent.
Followed by a forearm smash. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen.
And this match will head back to the ring. Oh, look at this. Oh, kicks.
Capped off with a big one.
With an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind. There's two.
He really thought that was it.
Kick to the abdomen. And he's showcasing some dominance here.
Yeah, he's found an effective form of attack.
And he's able to counter.
He's trying to bring the fight back in this one.
Byron, a match like this is when we see how merciless someone can be. What will this come down to?
This is about who can weather the storm. A superstar can attack at will here. Everything is a weapon. That is what makes this so dangerous. It's anything goes.
There are no limits here, and it can be chilling to see the lengths someone's willing to go to destroy another human being. And by chilling, I mean beautiful.
Here it comes, legendary!
Knuckle shuffle.
And the cover for the win! Kicks out, he still has life.
I am in shock. What's it gonna take to keep this guy down?
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this? Okay, he's re-entering the ring. Boom! Just defenseless as the momentum is against him.
Yeah, the defects in this game are leaving him vulnerable. He manages to escape it.
Oh, the iron claw! And breaks the hold, but damage has been done. Boom! Looking for a high-risk move.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Take off.
What? Soaring through the sky and crashing onto their opponent.
And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming.
Oh no, this is not where he wants to be.
Yeah, but can he roll on his body? Can he roll? Can he roll here?
This singles contest has a victor.
Here is your winner, the Superstar!
This kind of win establishes him to the world.
An important win for him in this one.
You could tell this guy was fired up from the moment the bell rang.
He definitely had the motivational advantage in this match.